3D printed OTF metal springs upgrade kit. This is the best OTF with multiple sizes and upgrade options. This time I will show you how to upgrade the 3D printed spring to metal. The upgrade kit consists of 3 parts only. Metal springs are available from Bambu Store. The spring specifications can be found in the model description and in the BOM. The direction of the spring is specific. Watch the video carefully to make sure both loops on the end of the spring are on the underside. Some springs may need to be twisted 180 degrees like this. You might ask why we need metal springs instead of 3D printed springs. The reason is simple. 3D printed springs are prone to fatigue and shape memory effects. The strength of a 3D printed spring depends largely on the type of filament, which can degrade quickly and eventually break. Metal springs have consistent, continuous strength and will last forever. Just trigger a few rounds and everything goes very smoothly. This is a utility blade variant that supports the most common 18mm utility blades and trapezoidal blades. Now I will demonstrate using the comb blade set. This is the smallest 3D printed OTF. It is also suitable for upgrading metal springs. Very nice box opener that fits on a key ring. You can fit the most common 8mm blades or even professional X-Acto blades. By the way, just tell me which knife holder you want and I will help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me. See you in the next video.